Ever wondered why a chef's arsenal bristles with an array of knives, each unique in its design and purpose? Well, today we delve into the world of kitchen cutlery and explore the key roles played by different types of knives in cooking. First on our list is the chef's knife, the true workhorse of the kitchen. This versatile tool, typically ranging from 6 to 12 inches, is perfect for a wide variety of tasks. From dicing onions, chopping herbs to slicing meat, this knife's broad, sharp blade does it all with precision and ease. Next up is the paring knife. Smaller in size, typically around 3 to 4 inches, this knife is ideal for precise tasks. Think peeling fruits, deveining shrimps, or hulling strawberries. Its sharp, pointed tip allows for intricate cuts and detailed work. The third knife on our list is the bread knife. With its long, serrated edge, it's designed to slice through crusty loaves without crushing the tender interior. But it's not just for bread. This knife is also excellent for slicing through fruits and vegetables with tough skins, like tomatoes or pineapples. Our fourth type is the boning knife. Characterized by its thin, flexible blade, it's perfect for removing bones from poultry, meat, and fish. Its sharp tip and narrow design allow for precision in navigating around bones and joints. Finally, we have the cleaver. This heavy-duty knife is often associated with butchery. Its broad, thick blade is designed for chopping through bones and tough materials. It's also helpful in crushing food items like garlic or ginger, thanks to its weight. So, to recap, the chef's knife is your go-to tool for a variety of tasks. The paring knife allows for precision in small, detailed work. The bread knife is designed for slicing through tough exteriors without crushing the inside. The boning knife is perfect for deboning tasks. And the cleaver, with its hefty weight, is ideal for heavy-duty chopping and crushing. Understanding the specific use of each knife can elevate your cooking experience, ensuring you have the right tool for the job. Remember, a well-equipped kitchen starts with the right set of knives, and each knife, with its unique design and purpose, plays a vital role in creating culinary masterpieces.